about one of the important topic in management, that is queuing theory. It is the mathematical study of queuing system, first developed by Erlang. A typical queuing system comprises of one or more queue and one or more servers. Mathematical problem is to find the number of persons in queue, number of persons being served, waiting time in system, or time spent in queue and time spent in system, and customer loss rate, to name a few. So these are the problems which management face and need to decide. Queuing may be of non-living objects. This is very important. It, it, it is not that queuing is of living individuals. Queuing may be of non-living objects, for example, in engineering, in telecommunication and computing. So there is a nomenclature system based on candle notation. First, we write the statistical distribution of arrival process. Then we write the statistical distribution of service time. Then we write about number of servers. Then we write about system capacity. And then we write about queuing discipline. This is how we write a queuing model. So these are some of the terms used in queuing modeling. Population. Population is from where persons arrive, and population may be finite or infinite. System capacity, that is the total number of persons which a system can accommodate, and it may be finite or infinite. Arrival process, arrival rate is represented by lambda, and it is Poisson distribution. Service process, service rate is mu, and it is exponential service time. Queuing discipline may be one of the many, and these include first in and first out, last in and first out, prioritized service. This is, for example, in emergency room of a hospital, service in random order, shortest job first. This is in computing. What is the behavior of customer in a queuing system? One is barking. Customer decide not to join queue. Customer arrive, but he or she decide not to join the queue and he leaves or she leaves the system. Reneging, customer leave the queue after joining the queue for some time. Jockeying, customer switch between queues if there are more than one queue. If customer think that the other queue is short, the customer switch to that queue. There is very important law on which various formulas for queuing system, queuing modeling are based. And one thing is that queuing system is valid only if arrival rate is less than service rate, or service utilization factor, that is arrival rate divided by service rate, is less than 1. Otherwise, the queue may become infinite and the queuing modeling is not appropriate. So what is Little's law? Little's law states that average number of customers in the system is equal to average arrival rate multiplied by average time spent in the system. So this is Little's law. Now I'll talk about various scenarios or various models of queuing. I have taken all the formulas from this very beautiful PDF book from this site. If arrival rate is lambda, service rate is mu, and service utilization factor is lambda by mu, and SC represents system capacity. First model is Poisson arrival, exponential service time, one server, and unlimited system capacity. So this is the probability of zero customers in the system, probability of n customers in the system, average number of customers in the system, average number in the queue, average time spent in the system, average time spent in the queue. So these are the some of the answers to our management problem. Second model is Poisson arrival, exponential service time, one server, and a finite or limited system capacity. So there is a finite queue length, which is C minus 1, if there is one server, because one is served and C minus 1 individuals are waiting, and maximum capacity of system is C. So this is probability of 0 in the system, probability of n in the system, average number, and average time. This is third model, Poisson arrival, exponential service time. There are k servers which are in series, that is, there are k stages of service, and system capacity is unlimited. So these are various probabilities. Probability of n in the system is very complicated formula. This is fourth model, Poisson arrival, exponential service time. There are m servers which are in parallel, and system capacity is unlimited. So these are the various formulas for probability of 0 in the system, probability of n in system, average number, and average wait time. This is the last model which I will discuss today, Poisson arrival, exponential service time. Number of servers are m and system capacity is unlimited, but here there is a prioritized service. So there are G priority classes. So this is a bit complicated scenario. For example, in emergency room, where a patient with serious condition is attended first, then the patient with non-serious condition in an emergency room of a hospital. So these are the calculations, and this is the formula for average time in the system and average time in the queue, and this is the average number of persons in the system and queue. So that was all about various models. Now I'll talk a little bit about costing analysis, because in management we need to determine what will be the total cost. So expected total cost is equal to expected service cost. This depend on number of servers, and expected waiting time, and this depend on the queue length or the average number of persons in the queue or in the system. So interesting, students who are interested in further reading about the cost analysis and about the variations uh, in formulae, they can read this source. So this is all about queuing modeling. Thank you very much.